Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to configure schedule refresh for reports in Power BI services. So configuring schedule refresh in Power BI is a process by which you specify when and how often your Power BI dataset and report should be automatically updated with the latest data from your data source. So this is a simple meaning. So first we click any semantic model schedule refresh option, this one, and scroll down and select the refresh option, this one. And here is the option is available off and on. Just click and on. So first we set the frequency for the requirement of daily updates weekly. Both option are available. The second option is time zone. So here is a lots of time zone available. You just click which one you required. And the next option is add time. So if you have a Power Web Pro license, so you have add daily refresh time option are available, and just click the last is apply option. So this is a way to set a schedule refresh in Power BI services. Thank you.